in this problem, a lot of students confuse this with multiplication because they see parentheses. And a lot of times we use parentheses to represent multiplication. But ladies and gentlemen, you have a quantity plus another quantity. There's no multiplication that's going on. You're adding two quantities. Yes, usually when we have two quantities separated with parentheses, that represents multiplication. But they're not separated by parentheses. They are in parentheses, but they're separated by addition. So the steps that I told you guys to do last class period is the first thing is let's always rewrite this using I. If you guys remember, we can rewrite each of these. You can't take the square root of a negative number, but you can rewrite it as the product of a number times -1. Does everybody follow me? We don't really need actually the parentheses at all. The parentheses aren't really helping us do anything. So in this case, I have -5 plus the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of -1 is where we got I. That's where I came from. Plus 3 minus the square root of 16 is 4. And the square root of -1 is I. Now, just like we were adding variables, we can add our real numbers. -5 plus 3 is -2. And 2i minus 4i is going to be -2i. And that would be your final answer. OK, so make sure you guys have those answers written down.